Hello everyone. Join me to bake this wonderfully fragrant and delicious bread. Please support my channel so we can grow our little bread baking family together. This bread is super delicious, you should definitely try it. Let's get started. First, add 200 milliliters of warm milk. Now, add 50 grams of sugar. And add 7 grams of instant yeast. Mix everything together. Add 8 grams of vanilla sugar. And add 1 egg. And now, add 100 milliliters of vegetable oil. Mix everything. Sift 500 grams of flour and add it in 2 stages. Which country are you watching this video from? Please write it in the comments. Please knead the dough with a hand whisk. Now, add the remaining flour. Please leave a comment and share your thoughts. It truly means the world to me. Add 7 grams of salt. Continue kneading the dough with your hands. Form the dough into a ball. Grease a bowl with vegetable oil. Put the dough in the bowl. Cover the dough with cling film. Leave the dough in a warm place for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough should be well risen. Please place the dough on the table. Divide the dough into 6 equal pieces. Form a ball from each part of the dough. Cover the dough balls with a kitchen towel. Leave the dough on the table for 10 minutes. Brush the pan with butter. Roll out the ball of dough with a rolling pin. Fig jam. You can use any other jam you like. Pinch the edges of the dough. Form the dough into a ball. Place the bun in a baking dish. Cover the buns with a kitchen towel. Leave the buns in a warm place for 30 minutes. Add 40 grams of flour. Add 15 grams of sugar. Add 20 grams of soft butter. Mix everything well. Repeat after me. Beat 1 egg. Brush the buns with the beaten egg. Sprinkle the buns with streusel. Bake the buns in a preheated oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 30-35. Oven mode heated top and bottom. Buns are ready, and they smell amazing. The buns are very puffy. This is very tasty. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.